Welcome, Dollar Tree Haul Tips, Tricks, and Hacks. MsSassyPat. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pat. I hope that you guys are doing well. Today, let's talk about the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is one of my favorite stores, so I just wanted to show you some of the items that I have purchased over the last few days. So, let's get started with this video. I'm not going to go in any particular order. I will just show you some of my favorite things. The first item is the pill box. You would normally use this for your vitamins or your daily supplements that you may take or medicine that you would take. But a neat thing that I thought about is that you could also use it for earrings, your rings, also great for your eyelashes. This would be a great item to use for your organization. This knife. This is such a great knife. I bought one like a few weeks ago. I just think that this knife is super nice. I love the handle and it cuts very well. Gloves. So these are very nice. These are in the garden section, and I thought that these would be so super cute, so super reusable. If you just had to wear them outside, you can wash them. So these are great protection. So I got a green pair and a blue pair, and they also come in a floral pair. Another item would be the soak off nail caps. I'm going to say that this is a seasonal item because I've never seen this item at my Dollar Tree before, but I just think this is super cute. This would have been super handy when I first took off my gel nails, but you can remove gel, glitter, and artificial nails. So I just thought that this was a super cute item. Okay, and this is nail polish. I love the fact when you go and you get like a 2-in-1 or 3-in-1. So these are pretty colors for the spring and summer. So I like the fact that you have actual 3 choices to pick from. So this is the nail brush. So I'm going to be doing my manicures and pedicures at home now. So I just thought that this would be a great item to have. And this is a bath soak. And this is French lavender and citrus. See this? This smells so amazing. It just smells so good. So I will definitely be using this when I just want to take a bath and relax. And I also will be using this item for when I do my manicures and pedicures. And this is another bath salt. And this is sulfate free and it's natural spa. And this smells amazing. It's chamomile. And so this is another bath salt. So I cannot wait to use this item. Another item that I purchased were the nail polish. This one here is your TopCoat. Then I purchased the high gloss, and this one is like a strengthening nail. Okay, my next item is the Nivea. This smells amazing. So this is a cream. This is a Silk Mousse body wash, cream soft, and it's soft silky skin with sweet almond, and it is warm vanilla jasmine blossom scent. I cannot wait to use this. Another item that I got is the exfoliating bath bomb. So I think this is going to be a great item to use, and I will definitely use it with the Nivea bath wash. Now this is a Microfiber Washmitt. This is for your car, but I also thought that this would be great to use for dusting, and this would be also great to use for your ceiling fans if you had any, because it could just get all that dirt and dust. the thing that I liked about this was that you could wash it and keep using it. So I love items that you can reuse or repurpose. One of my favorite items at the Dollar Tree is the hair dye. I'm also gonna link my video that I did dye my hair, so please watch that if you're interested. I love this dye. I think that it does a super good job. Found the facial cloths. So this one is one that I see often, and I like this. It's watermelon and aloe. This smells amazing. This is such a great product. I haven't seen this a lot lately. I was able to snag the last one, so if you see this item, it smells so good and you should get it. Goo Gone. Everybody needs a little Goo Gone in their life. This is great for removing adhesives, just goop from things, from jars, or if you're trying to reuse like a glass jar and it still has a label, all you need is a little Goo Gone. I was finally able to find some hand sanitizer at the Dollar Tree. I have been looking for months, but I was able to get one because they only allowed one per purchase. But I have some hand sanitizer, and I'm going to show you a hack. So this little item here is the traveling dressing container. I think that you could actually put some of your hand sanitizer in this little container, and that way you can make this go a long way, especially if you have a lot of family members or family members that you just want to protect and make sure that they have their hand sanitizer. So these were two really good purchases. The tote bags. This one says just be you, which I think is super cute. And then the next one says work hard, play hard. I love these bags if you're going to the grocery store and you want to just have the bags to take with you, or if you're just going to the store and you don't want to take a whole lot of items, you just put your purse and keys and phone in here and you're just ready to go. The elastic hair ties. I love these items for doing my hair, but these are also good for doing the elastics and the DIY mask. This was a seasonal item, and I think this is Abraham Lincoln. It looks like Abraham Lincoln to me. I thought that these were super cute socks, and what I did with them was I made this into a mask. So let me put this on for you so you can see how cute it is. So how super cute is this? This pair that I thought was super cute that I could turn into a mask. And I also got the unicorns. So if you're interested in me doing a tutorial on how to turn these socks into a mask, please leave me a comment. I love getting books with inspirational messages. So this one says love the little things, which I think is super cute. And this one is follow your dreams. So I just think that these items are just super cute when you just want to jot down your thoughts, ideas, or whatever. My final item that I'm gonna close with, everybody needs this in your life. This is the toilet bowl spray. I don't know if you've seen this in your Dollar Tree, but if you have, get this. This is great for when you have to go to the bathroom, squirt a couple of times in the toilet. This is great. It's $1. It smells wonderful, and it just hides the odor. So this is definitely a great buy. So I just wanted to thank you for watching my video. Please leave me a comment and let me know what other video you would like to see me do. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my very next video. Bye. MsSassyPat. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification. Are we friends yet? Follow me at MsSassyPat. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification. MsSassyPat.